There's no lack of organizations to support. How do you find one that matches your values? Organizations you already support. The most obvious ones are the ones you already support or belong to. You may already be giving your time and money to them. Are you aware of everything they do? Check out their website, ask for a tour, or set an appointment with one of their staff to learn more. You'll probably be surprised at everything they do. Charitable organization information websites. There are many websites to find and research organizations across the country and the world. You can also narrow your search to your local area to find local organizations. I'll explain in the next lecture how to use these sites to research the effectiveness of organizations. A future lecture has a list of these sites and document titled Charitable Organization Information Websites. Local United Way. One way to identify local organizations is to visit the website of your local United Way. These sites can link you with volunteer opportunities in your local area. It's also a good contact for your company to send teams of employees to help an organization. Note that not every local organization elects to be listed through United Way. Internet search. When all else fails, there's always Google. Search for the values or causes you want to support, followed by the words nonprofit, charity, or organization. Add your state or city to narrow the search results to your local organizations.